All right, now we take you to coverage around the Prime Minister. As the BJP's biggest vote puller and a dynamic campaigner, the Prime Minister is gearing up to lead crucial elections a few months away in Bihar. You also have West Bengal and beyond. There is an unmatched appeal and a seeming mandate to continue. Let's bring you now this coverage on the road ahead. Take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is turning 75 and he remains the biggest vote catcher for his party, the BJP. His appeal amongst the people remains sky high and his political campaigns have the capability to turn the tide in elections. We have seen this in BJP's historic and large wins in the states of Haryana and Maharashtra last year that have undone the minor setback that the party faced in the Lok Sabha elections, winning 240 seats.
Damodar Das Modi.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi created history by being elected for the third consecutive time as the Prime Minister of the country, and he is only looking at bigger things.
सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा.
Prime Minister, despite being 75 years, he is on work mode because he has always believed in politics of Seva, Samarpan, Sangathan, Sangharsh and Sushasan. And therefore these 5 S's are translating into what he is delivering on the ground for people. Look at how our economy has gone from 11th to 5th space, fastest growing large economy in the world, lowest NPA, lowest inflation, lowest unemployment rate on one hand. And then the Prime Minister, while he is going one hand, he is going for the SCO meeting, on the other hand he goes and visits the people of Punjab and Himachal during floods.
Narendra Modi is now the second longest serving Prime Minister of the country with an uninterrupted tenure. The BJP and its top leaders like Amit Shah have clearly said that Narendra Modi will also be the Prime Ministerial candidate of the NDA in the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has also said no one needs to retire at the age of 75.
I never said that I will retire or someone should retire. In Sangha, we Swayam Sevaks. We are given a job, whether we want it or not. So, if I am 80 years old and Sangha will tell me, go run a shaka, I will have to go. So, this is not for retirement of anybody or myself. We are ready to retire any time in the life and we are ready to work as long as Sangha wants us to work.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now going to lead his party in 5 big election battles in the next 6 months. It is Bihar first, then West Bengal, Assam, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In the state of Bihar, the insult of the Prime Minister's late mother by the opposition is becoming a huge election issue. The Prime Minister is also expected to oppose and expose the opposition on the issue of the SIR.
कांग्रेस आरजेडी के मंच से गाली, भद्दी गाली केवल मेरी मां को नहीं दी गई है। ये भद्दी गाली करोड़ों माताओं बहनों को दी गई।
बिहार के सीमावर्ती जिलों में तेजी से डेमोग्राफी बदल रही है, इसलिए एनडीए सरकार ने तय किया है कि देश का भविष्य घुसपैठियों को नहीं तय करने देंगे।
West Bengal early next year remains the biggest election battle for the BJP. The Prime Minister has already given a war cry to dislodge the Mamata Banerjee government after 15 long years in West Bengal.
बंगाल में भी जनता तक सारी योजनाओं का लाभ पहुंचाने के लिए जरूरी है कि यहां पश्चिम बंगाल में भाजपा सरकार होनी चाहिए। ये अब तय है। टीएमसी जावे बीजेपी अर्श पे जो लोग सिर्फ यहां हमारे लोगों की रोजी रोटी छीनने आए हैं, जो फर्जी तरीके से कागज बनाकर रुक गए हैं, उनको यहां से जाना ही होगा।
If the BJP is able to retain power in Bihar this year and snatch away the reins of West Bengal from Mamata Banerjee next year, the whole credit for this will go to Narendra Modi. It will also strengthen further the control of Mr. Narendra Modi over the national politics. At 75, Mr. Narendra Modi is in no mood to rest. He's only prepared to work even more, hit the electoral arena and work more for the country and its governance. This is Aman Sharma for CNN News 18.